You know, you reach a certain age, I wouldn't even say age, it could be maturity, whatever age that looks like for you, where you realize time is the most valuable thing we have. One of the things that absorbs so much of my time is my hair. And that's why I started wearing wigs. If you are new here, welcome. It's a good old time. It's a no judgment free zone too. My name is Tiffany Lumpkin and I am your internet bestie, but I also have to be your best friend that is a professional hair and makeup artist for TV and film. I've been doing it for almost 16 years now. I help people look amazing in front of camera and on set. That's where I am Monday through Friday. But Sundays are a very special day. That is my reset day. That is a day where after doing everybody's hair and makeup all week, I take Sunday evenings to myself to pour back into myself. And one of the ways that I do that is my glueless wig installation. And I love my wigs. This is a custom wig designed. It's a glueless wig. It's a wig designed by Aramis Tylise. Let me tell you something about Aramis Tylise really quick. She is not a wig maker. She is a wig designer, honey. Any picture, your Pinterest board, any vision you have, if you see a hairstyle, I always send her pictures of Kelly Rowland. And I'm like, I want that one. And a couple of weeks later, she's like my fairy godmother. There's a wig at my doorstep that looks exactly like the photo that I sent her. At the point now, I just kind of let her do what she wants to do, but she has been such a blessing in my life. She ships worldwide. Hear me out. It's an investment. The cost per wear exceeds the amount that, for me, in my personal experience, what sew-ins did, like my roots for color, these roots are not gonna grow out. Like the color, I don't have to keep getting recolored. Being able to wake up every morning and basically throw in a hat, this is what I call my wigs, my godson calls it hats. But my hair is one of those things I never worry about because of my custom units. I really want to invite you in because ain't nothing wrong with a bust down. Everyone has melted lace and lace fronts, nothing's wrong with that. But I don't think there's enough information out there on glueless wigs. I just wanted to contribute to the conversation to let you know that you have options. Your hair is one of those things that if you can just put it in autopilot, just do that. And this is not just a glueless wig routine that I'm going to share with you today. I really want to invite you into a very sacred day of the week for me, which is Sundays, that it's a moment that I take this wig off and just care and nurture my natural hair. Because as much as I love my wigs, I love my natural hair even more. Wash days used to be something that was like a burden, but now it's not like, oh, I gotta do my hair. Now it's, I get to do my hair. So it's a time that I light a candle, I'll play some music, and I will just braid every braid. And every braid I have is a gratitude prayer of all the blessings that I have in my life. And one of my many blessings is you and being here with me from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. I know we don't know each other. And you're not supposed to seek validation anywhere else other than God. I know that. This is bigger than hair and makeup for me. And I think that you all feel that. And this is ministry because there's so many women out there that are experiencing trauma and pain. And their biggest prayer right now is peace. So when you can turn on that daggone Tiffany Lumpkin and you're able to connect, I just thank you for your support. I really, really do. You feed me more than I feed you, and it is my goal. I'm gonna keep going, and you all make it so easy to do. And thank you for the encouragement. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. And I just get so emotional because I've prayed for days like this. I know it's just a little wig video, but I just want to say thank you. I want to invite you into the sacred space of just me caring for my natural hair and my wigs and all the many blessings that I have. And if you're somebody that is experiencing a lot of pain right now, just pray for peace. Also too, you ain't got to look like what you've been through. And I'm going to help you with that because we've been through a lot. We've been through a lot. And when you look in that mirror, I want you to know that the best version of yourself is staring back. And I really do hope that this video encourages you to pour back into yourself. So real quick, viewer discretion. I don't wake up like this. I'm about to look real different in a couple seconds.